crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I hope you are having an amazing morning or getting ready to kick off for an amazing morning and an amazing day. I just wanted to jump on, give a quick update, kind of talk about some things going on. So as you know, I have been building somewhat an affiliate base. And so I now have Fat Quarter Shop, I have Juki Junkies, and I also have AccuQuilt that I'm very excited about. Places that I support, places I believe in, places that I believe treat the quilting community the way they should and help support our craft and help support what we do. I'm selective somewhat on who I am going to put my name with. Guys, I don't make any money off YouTube. I don't make any real money off doing this, but yet I continue to give things away and drive the channel and that forward. That's my choice. That's a personal decision I make. I want to be able to talk about products, different things, and be able to give a full and honest review. But at the same time, if there's someone out there that I believe in and that can help support me and help support the channel, I'm definitely going to make that partnership. But I am very selective about what that partnership looks like, and that's why we currently only have 3. This is about Missouri Star Quilt. How do you not love Jenny and the ladies over at Missouri Star Quilt, right? I will tell you, I sometimes get frustrated with them. I did have a pause for a while just because the shipping was so slow. Now what I realize is it looks like they're using Amazon shipping and things are coming out much faster. It's just amazing if you think back where they were 10 plus years ago, how they've grown that community, how they've grown their business, how they've become such a footprint in the market and just there to support us in a lot of different ways. So I've talked to them about different things, getting to know a few of the folks down there. And just as a, hey, we appreciate what you do. Hey, we appreciate the shout outs occasionally. They sent me a free gift. And you know what? I like free. It's nice when I get gifts, right? Because I enjoy gifting and giving to you all, but it's sometimes nice when it comes back to me. So of course I get the Chuck, right? The flat Chuck. He's dressed up as Frankenstein for Halloween. What I have never done is really keep flat Chucks. But I think I'm going to. I think I am actually going to start my own collection of those, and we'll see how he changes and grows throughout the year. He may actually end up in Myrtle Beach and a few places with us next year, but we'll see. But they gifted me, let's see what this is, what they call a work set. And I love their logo. You got to right? Missouri Star Quilt makes something today, right? And that's what I need to remember. I should be making things and not just talking and doing all this other craziness. But they actually gave me what they call a work set. It's like an $80 value. I think it's $74.95 on their website. But it actually came with 8-inch scissors, the Amelia scissors. And so how cool is that? And I actually don't mind this color. I'm not a blue fan. I've never been a blue fan, but this is more of an off blue, baby blue. It also came with a nice rotary cutter. So very nice rotary cutter. And then it also has a ripper in there. So how crazy is that? Because, and I don't need a seam ripper that much because I just don't make mistakes. So if you believe that, obviously you're new to the channel. And then it actually also has 4-inch scissors and 6-inch scissors. So guys, what a great set from Missouri Star Quilt. 4, 6, and 8-inch scissors, a nice rotary cutter, and seam ripper. So, I tell you, they are a first-class act. Like we had talked earlier, I did order their Christmas box again this year. I have yet to be notified mine shipped, which just drives me nuts because I think I ordered mine like 2 days after Christmas. I don't even think I ordered mine in January. I ordered mine actually the day or second day that they opened it up. I actually ordered mine. because I like the box. Even though it's got some hand sewing and stuff in there, I actually put it in what I call the yard sale box because Quilt Club has a yard sale twice a year in the club room. And so I stick that in there thinking one day I may participate in that other than just go spend more money. But I just, it's something for me. It's a gift to me. And to just have Missouri Star just say, hey, we appreciate you reaching out. We appreciate getting to know you. We appreciate talking to you. And just hear something to keep you motivated, keep you going with your journey into the quilting world. And that just means a lot, right? It's just when businesses do something so simplistic, that's a $75 gift. That's what they would have sold that for. Yeah, they may run them on sale on that occasionally. And yes, they did not pay that wholesale. But at the end of the day, that still had to come out of someone's profit margin in order to gift that to me. And it just means a lot and it is appreciated. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Missouri Star Quilt. I am not an affiliate. I am not an ambassador, not sponsored. But it was just fun to get something in the mail that just said, hey, we like what you're doing. So I hope you all have an amazing day. I hope you're all ready for a big weekend. Don't forget, we have the Holiday Quilting Bee coming up on November 11th for Veterans Day. If you're able to jump in for just 10 minutes or all 3 hours, would love, love, love to have you. You can check out on the channel and find out more details if you're not sure what I'm talking about. But would love to have you join me on November 11th for Veterans Day. We love our veterans. My son's an Air Force active Air Force, and we need to support the men and women that protect us and take care of us on a daily basis. And they are definitely our unsung heroes, just like all of our first responders and that. But I appreciate Veterans Day and being able to give them some recognition. So guys, I meant for this to be much shorter. I just wanted to give a quick shout out. I hope things are going well. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.